Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have an unboxing and review for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing for you the Chanel Eau De Tendre. Yes, I got it for Christmas, but I didn't open it yet because I just didn't need to. But we get to open it together, so let's see now. And also, I'm going to be showing you some of the goodies that I got from Chanel because I went to the Chanel store a couple of times during the holiday season to shop for other people as well. So, yeah, let's get into the video. So, this is it right here. It comes in this awesome pink box. And I think I actually got this one from Bloomingdales, the Chanel in Bloomingdales in New York City. And when I spoke to the representative, we tried some of the fragrances. I may be able to insert a clip. And so I decided to go with the Chanel Eau De Tendre. I was gonna get my Mademoiselle Chanel again, but he was like, no, try something different. I think I tried the Chanel the regular one, before. So yeah, let's just get into it. I got my scissors here. It is brand new, so it comes in a box like this, as you can see. And I'm just gonna cut through the plastic here. Making sure not to mess up the box. We get to open it together. I love that it comes in a pink box, because you guys know pink is my favorite color. So there it is in the box, and on the back, this is just what it says on the back, and this is the bottom, and this is the top of the box. So nice. You feel like the emblem on it, it's like it feels raised, and it's like in gold. So this is for the people who are not used to purchasing Chanel. I'm trying to get them to go into the store, try out some fragrances, treat yourself to something new and nice and pretty. Yeah, so let's open it up. Hold on. Guys, my nails, you know how I do. The box is really pretty though. I really like the pink, the gold, and the black. Packaging is really awesome. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited because I was so used to the other bottle that I had. So this one, it comes like this. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at it, guys. Oh my gosh. It's just like a circle. And you see it says Chanel Eau De Tendre. The packaging is really nice because you can see like the perfume is like a light pink, and then it says Chance here in the gold, and then Chanel in the black, and then Eau De Tendre in the pink. So I'm so happy I got this one. And so the top is silver, and it has the CCs. It's so pretty. Let's try to do a thumbnail. Okay. okay, I'm excited. Okay, so let me read to you some of the things. I have my computer here to tell me, and my computer can like turn into, I can flip it up like this. This is the HP Envy. Hold on. Okay, so I decided to go on the Chanel website so I can read to you what it says. It's a green and fruity grape-like quince accord intertwines with the softness of jasmine and the smoothness of white musk for an intoxicating, light, poetic trail. And I got the 3.4 ounce. So let's smell it. I normally don't put on my skin because I'm very, you know, I didn't even notice like the side of the bottle. This bottle is really nice. I'm really impressed. I didn't even notice all these details. The side is silver going all the way around. Oh, and under here there's like a stamp. Wow. This is really nice. Okay, so let me smell. I'm gonna put it on my wrist. It shouldn't be too bad. Oh my gosh. It almost made me forget like what it smelled like, because I smelled it before but I just didn't remember. Yeah, it has a nice smell. And it's light. And it's floral. Yes. It smells so good, guys. So I definitely smell the jasmine and the grapefruit. And then the musk I do smell in here. It's just a nice, light, floral, feminine smell. I love it already. I'm so happy I got to open it. Yeah, this is it, guys. I am really loving this. I'm loving the color of the box. First and foremost, all the details. And the detail on the bottle. And the smell it's more of a fruity floral smell. And it's a light scent, feminine, pretty, beautiful. I definitely recommend this. Again, this is a 3.4 ounce. They have a smaller one and then they have a bigger one as well. But I think this one is perfect. It's just somewhere in the middle. So guys, if you want to treat yourself for, well, I was gonna say Christmas. If you want to treat yourself for your birthday or a special occasion, yes. Or if someone is like asking you what you want, definitely put this on your wish list, because this is an awesome fragrance to buy. So I wanted to share with you some of my samples that I got from Chanel. I got so many because I went shopping with them. So I'm finally getting a chance to share. So I did get a chance to go to Bergdorf this season, and did I buy Chanel at Bergdorf? Oh no, I just have the box, but I did buy some things for some other people. So this is like the ribbon that came when I gave the gift away. I got 2 people Chanel gifts, and when they opened the box, I knew they weren't gonna want the ribbon, so I'm like, I'm gonna save the ribbon, because you know what I've seen people do, like use it on their hair, like, oh, they use it as a headband, which you can do. Oh, that looks so cute. I can't wait to do that like in the summertime, or like a little hair tie, like a little bow, so it's gonna look so cute and dainty. So that's why I decided to save these. So I decided to use my box to just store all the things that I got from Chanel. So I got samples of the 1957 Chanel, and I'll just show you what that looks like. And I'm not gonna smell it. Maybe I'll do a separate video and then smell all the samples. That would be cool, but I don't want to do that right now. So I got 2 of those. Then I got this little it says cream. It's like a cream. Oh, fresh body cream. This is what it is. And I'll show it to you. I can't wait to use this stuff, guys. Comes in this little thing here. And yes, a nice light scent. So I could definitely use this like when I'm traveling, like a travel size. I'm excited. I get excited when I get the little samples and stuff like that. Just, I don't know, it's just like an extra little bonus, little goodie. So then I got, this is the mascara. I've used this before. This is a little sample mascara. They gave me a 3 milliliter and a 5 milliliter. It says it's cream. It's in French, guys. I don't want to butcher up the wording, but that's what it is. I can open one of them up. And they come in these little cute gold boxes. I'm just going to open up one. I feel like I got these samples before. Oh no, I didn't. Oh, how cute. So cute. I can't wait to use all of this stuff. So cute. And then I got another one. It's probably the same in the gold box, but it's really cute. Then I got this one, the Chanel Paris. It's an oil. It says Huile Douce. I think sweet oil. If my French is correct, it says gentle oil here. If the translation wasn't spot on, but almost there, almost there. I'll open it up. Oh, there. Oh, okay. I think I got more than one of these. It's just like a little oil. Let me see. It's a very, very light scent. And I guess it's like a fragrance oil. Too cute. So cute. And more mascara. I got goodies, guys. I got goodies. And then just these little gel. I think it's for eyes. Hydra Beauty. Hydrant. I don't know. The writing is like really small. But this is it. And then just another sample oil. I don't know what this was, but at the store he mixed it up for me. It might be the Mademoiselle. That's what I think it is, because I have that and I think that that's what it reminds me of. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me make sure I close it all the way. But yeah, that's all the goodies that I got from Chanel. I also got, when I went to Bergdorf, I got some samples of the Hermes Eau de Toilette right here. So pretty. And then this one is the what did it look? Eau de, I don't want to butcher it up, guys. It's right there. And then this one here, Un Jardin sous la Lagune. Please forgive me, I don't speak French. But this is the sample of both of the Hermeses. Everyone was so nice to me. Like when I went to Bergdorf, they were really, really nice. I can't wait to go back. I didn't get to spend as much time because I was late and the store was like closing. They were literally counting down their registers. I had to get my gift and then I had to run. But it was such a wonderful, brief experience there. It was my first time going inside. I always passed Bergdorf, never got to go inside. So I look forward to going again for the spring. I definitely want to go to tea time at Bergdorf's. I've heard so much about it there, and now that they're lifting the mask restrictions and the vaccine restrictions, I look forward to going there and just enjoy myself because I've heard good things about it. So that's it, guys. That's my little Chanel haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. I have some other hauls on Chanel fragrances on my channel, so just check it out. Make sure to subscribe because I will be doing so much more videos like this if you like these types of videos. My channel is mostly fashion, beauty, style, hair, and a whole bunch of other things, lifestyle and stuff like that. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kharyzma for You Style. Follow me on TikTok, guys. You'll love my TikTok videos because I do some different things than I do on YouTube, and a little bit of my performing arts is on there too, a little bit of humor and stuff like that. What else? Check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, where you can get beautiful lip gloss like the one I have on. And my hair accessories on my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/kharyzmaforyou. Remember to like and share, and let me know what is your favorite Chanel fragrance. Put it in the comments. Let me know if you haven't tried it before, if you have any questions. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.